What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a quick review on the new Specialized SIRRUS 6.0. Bike was impossible to find. I know I was looking like crazy, so I just wanted to put a quick review, just kind of like an unboxing with all the tags, exactly how it came after it was built, just to kind of give you guys an idea what it looks like. This is the 2021 full carbon frame, all the bells and whistles. I think this year it's actually 2 pounds lighter, the actual bike itself. It's the Carbon Fact 9 frame, I believe. It has the Future Shock 20mm, and it's the 105 Shimano drivetrain with the 2x11 range and shifting. Like I said, Specialized right now, it's impossible to get a hold of these bikes. Everyone's ordering them, trying to get them. I actually drove to get this one, and you know, this one has the new rainbow satin carbon, it's called. Kind of crazy what they're doing with these finishes, but you know, the SIRRUS models this year, they switched them up, got a bunch of different stuff going on, but these other ones, it's a crazy difference. You know, the more money you spend on the bike, the upgraded parts you get on them. I mean, these ones have the new DTS Swiss rims, thinner tires, and that rainbow reflective, which is crazy. But this is just a quick review, guys. I got a whole bunch of parts for the bike itself, and you know, we're gonna upload those pictures also and everything whenever we get a chance. So this is just showing you guys what it looks like. Not too many reviews on YouTube. People should be getting their bikes pretty soon, I would imagine, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and rip off the manual here right now, see if you guys can get a little better view here while we're checking it out. Boom, there's that. Still actually has the plastic on the actual tires. We'll peel this off too. You can see the rims. Crazy. Well, I have to get all these off to get the idea either way. But guys, I'm going to add some still shots in here too, so you can kind of get an idea. Definitely not a bike pro myself. I just knew I wanted to get something, had to have the right color. Wanted to go with the frame because it was actually light, a little bit lighter than the aluminum, stronger. But this one's actually a size large, so if you guys have any questions, you know, let us know. I'm not a big reviewer or anything by all means. I just wanted to get the bike out there just so you guys can see a couple pictures. So hopefully this does a little bit of justice. Strictly Bicycles in New Jersey was a place I picked the bike up. Excellent guys. If you guys need anything, any work done here in the area, check them out. Strictly Bicycles in New Jersey. Shout out to Specialized for making a great quality bike. And I appreciate it, guys. Let us know if you have any questions at all. Plan on uploading some more pictures and actual real review of the bike here real soon. Thank you.